In this video, I will show you how to factory reset your TCL Smart TV. Now over here, I have the TCL Android TV, but following similar steps, you should be able to factory reset your TCL Google TV and TCL Roku TV as well. Now to do this, basically you want to head over to the settings icon at the top right corner of your TCL Smart TV. Now just scroll over to the top and then scroll horizontally until you get to the settings icon over here. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, you just want to scroll down until you get to device preferences. Now scroll all the way down until you get to the reset option at the bottom of the TV over here. Go ahead and click on it and then scroll down and then click on factory reset data, and automatically the factory reset process for your TCL Smart TV will begin. Now it is important to note that all of your data like your apps and your accounts will be deleted from the TV, and basically the TV is going to restart itself and come back as though it is brand new, so you have to also go through the setup process again. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.